I've got a lot of DIY projects coming up this summer, and I am so excited about this purchase because it has already helped so much. This Swan Lake Master Impact Socket Set. And so, one of the things I loved about it was the bright green carrying case. It's going to make it really hard for me to lose or misplace, as well as the organization aspect. So, it comes with this nice map of where everything goes, as well as all of the bits are labeled and the actual case. And so everything can match up exactly where it needs to go. I also really love the fact that some of these are actually clicked in instead of just set in. And so it's going to be a lot harder for them to come out when they're clicked in. I am so glad that I made just this purchase. I think it has already really helped all of my projects. I will say you get a wide variety of bits that go along with it, and you get the basic ratchet. And so this is something as an entry level DIYer, I feel like I have all the tools at my disposal to do the projects I need. I don't think that this would be someone for someone at a higher level or a contractor, but I think if you're just starting out, this kit is definitely the way to go.